Your goal is £50 in the next few weeks. You don't need a big audience, you don't need a complex funnel, and you definitely don't need a perfect product. What you do need is one skill, one offer, and a few clients.
Now, here's the first thing you need to understand. You do not need to learn everything in AI. That's actually where most people go wrong. They try to learn too many tools and they end up overwhelmed and not making any money.
What you really need is one monetizable skill. Just one. Let me give you 3 beginner-friendly options that are working right now.
Things like turning one YouTube video into multiple posts, writing captions using AI, creating simple content calendars. You're basically helping them stay consistent. And that's a big problem people are willing to pay for.
Second, AI digital product creation. This is where you use tools like AI and Canva to create simple digital products. For example, templates, photo shoots, product photography.
You can sell these or even create them for other people. It's great if you prefer working behind the scenes. Third, AI services. This is more on the business side. You help businesses automate simple tasks, do research faster.
This is where you can charge higher because you're saving them time and money.
Now notice something important here. None of these are about tools. They're about solving problems. And that shift from tools to problems is what actually makes you money.
Now, this is where most beginners get stuck. They say, okay, I've learned AI content creation. Now what? But a skill by itself doesn't make money. You have to turn it into an offer.
Let me show you the difference. Instead of saying, I do AI content creation, that's too vague. Instead say, I turn your long form videos into 30 days of content using AI. Now that is clear.
What you've done is you've taken a skill and connected it to a real problem. In this case, people don't have time, people struggle with consistency, and you're solving both. That's what people pay for.
Let's make this practical. If you charge £100 to £150 per client to make your first £500, you only need around 4 to 5 clients. That's it.
Not 1,000 followers, not viral videos, just a few people who need your help.
Getting clients is the part people overcomplicate the most. But honestly, it's simpler than you think. You don't need ads, you don't need a fancy website, you need conversations.
Step 1, find people. Go to platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube.
And look for small creators, coaches, business owners, people who are already posting, but not consistently. That's your opportunity.
2, reach out simply. Don't overthink the message. Keep it simple. You can say, hey, I noticed you post long form content. I helped turn that into 30 days of content using AI. Would you like me to create a sample for you? That's it. No long paragraphs, no pressure, just a clear, helpful message.
Step 3, deliver value first. If they say yes, give them 3 to 5 sample posts. Let them see the value. Once they see the result, it becomes much easier for them to say yes to your service.
AI really gives you an advantage. Without AI, that same work might take you 5 to 6 hours. But with AI, you can reduce it to 2 hours or even less.
And here's the key. You're still charging the same price, which means higher profit, less time. That's leverage.
The biggest mistake beginners make, they focus too much on tools. They keep asking, what AI tool should I learn next? But that's the wrong question. The better question is, what problem can I solve using AI? Because tools will always change. New tools will come out every year, but problems, they stay the same. And income comes from solving those problems consistently.
So if you want to make your first £500 with AI, keep it simple. Start with one skill, build one clear offer, get a few clients, then systemize it. If you need a guide to help you get started in making money with AI, then check out my How to Make Your First £100 guide. Purchase link and details are in the description. If this helped you think differently, subscribe, because on this channel, we build income with intelligence. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching this thing.